Welcome to Easy Learn English podcast. Today's topic is at school, my classroom. Let's learn simple English sentences about school life. Listen, read, and enjoy. Part 1, my school day. I go to school from Monday to Friday. My school is big and clean. It has many classrooms. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast and brush my teeth. Then I put on my uniform. It is blue and white. I take my school bag and leave. Home at 7:30. I walk to school with my friend. His name is Ardar. We talk and laugh. Our school starts at 8 o'clock. First, we go to our classroom. We sit at our desks. The teacher comes in and says, "Good morning, students." We all say, "Good morning, teacher." After that, we start our lessons. The first lesson is usually math. I like math. It is fun to solve problems. After math, we have English. Our teacher shows pictures and speaks slowly. We repeat the words. Then, we write in our notebooks. I try to write neatly. We have a short break after 2 lessons. We go outside to play. Some students play football, some play tag. I like to talk with my friends. The bell rings and we go back to class. I enjoy school very much. Part 2, inside the classroom. Our classroom is on the 2nd floor. There are 25 students in my class. We have a big whiteboard at the front. The teacher writes with a black marker. On the walls, there are maps, charts, and student drawings. My favorite is the world map. I like to look at different countries. We also have an alphabet chart. Every student has a desk and a chair. My desk is near the window. I can see trees and birds outside. There is a bookshelf in the corner. It has storybooks, picture books, and dictionaries. Sometimes, we take a book and read quietly. We have a class clock. It helps us know the time. Our teacher uses a laptop and a projector. She shows videos and pictures on the screen. We also have a cupboard with our art materials paper, crayons, scissors, and glue. On Monday, we have art class. I love drawing and colouring. At the back, we keep our school bags. Everyone keeps the classroom clean and tidy. At the end of the day, we push our chairs in and say goodbye. Part 3, my teachers and friends. I have many teachers. My favourite teacher is Miss Elif. She teaches science. She's kind and funny. She explains things with simple words. We do fun experiments in her class. My English teacher is Mr. James. He is from Canada. He speaks slowly and clearly. I can understand him well. He plays games with us in class. My math teacher is very smart. She gives us more quizzes. I always try to get full marks. In music class, we sing songs. Our music teacher plays the piano. I like singing with my friends. My classmates are nice and helpful. I sit next to Zainab. She's good at drawing. We help each other with homework. At lunchtime, we sit together. We eat sandwiches, fruits, and drink juice. Sometimes, we share our snacks. During break time, we play games. We talk about cartoons and weekend plans. I feel happy with my friends. We laugh a lot. When someone is sad, we try to help. We are like a big family at school. I love my teachers and my friends. Part 3, my teachers and friends. I have many teachers. My favorite teacher is Miss Elif. She teaches science. She's kind and funny. She explains things with simple words. We do fun experiments in her class. My English teacher is Mr. James. He is from Canada. He speaks slowly and clearly. I can understand him well. He plays games with us in class. My math teacher is very smart. She gives us more quizzes. I always try to get full marks. In music class, we sing songs. Our music teacher plays the piano. I like singing with my friends. My classmates are nice and helpful. I sit next to Zainab. She's good at drawing. We help each other with homework. At lunchtime, we sit together. We eat sandwiches, fruits, and drink juice. Sometimes, we share our snacks. During break time, we play games. We talk about cartoons and weekend plans. I feel happy with my friends. We laugh a lot. When someone is sad, we try to help. We are like a big family at school. I love my teachers and my friends. Part 4, what I learn at school. At school, we learn many subjects. In Turkish class, we read stories and learn new words. In math, we count, add, and solve problems. In science, we learn about plants, animals, and the earth. We do small experiments. In English, we learn simple words and sentences. We listen, speak, read, and write. In social studies, we learn about people and places. We also have paid class. We play sports like basketball, volleyball, and run in the gym. Play is fun and healthy. In art class, we use colors, paper, and scissors. I love drawing trees, houses, and animals. In music class, we learn songs and play instruments. Sometimes we sing as a group. We also have computer class. We learn to use the keyboard and mouse. We play educational games. My favorite subject is science, but I like English too. Learning at school is exciting. Every day, I learn something new. School helps me grow, think, and dream. I want to study hard and do my best. School is a special place. Part 5. My school bag. I take my school bag with me every day. It is blue and has 2 zippers. I carry it on my back. Inside my school bag, I keep my books, notebooks, and pencil case. My pencil case has a pen, a pencil, an eraser, a ruler, and some colored pencils. I also keep my lunchbox in my bag. Sometimes I bring an apple or a sandwich. My water bottle is in the side pocket. I drink water during the day. I also keep my homework notebook in the bag. I check it every day to see what I must do at home. I take care of my bag. I keep it clean and organized. At school, I put it next to my desk or hang it on a hook. After school, I take it home and take out my homework. I like my school bag. It helps me carry all the things I need to learn and study. Part 6. The school library. Our school has a library. It is a quiet and peaceful place. We go there once a week. There are many books in the library. Some books are about animals, others are about space, science, or history. There are also storybooks and picture books. I love reading books with nice pictures. The librarian is kind. She helps us find books. She says, "Please be quiet so everyone can read." There are small tables and chairs in the library. We sit and read for a while. Sometimes we borrow books. We take them home and bring them back next week. I borrow a new book every week. Reading helps me learn new words. I love the library because I can explore many topics and enjoy stories. It is one of my favorite places at school. Part 7. My classmates. I have many classmates. We are all in the same class. Some are boys and some are girls. We sit together and study. My best friend is in my class too. His name is Ollie. He sits next to me. We help each other with homework. Some classmates are good at math. Others are good at drawing or writing. We all have different talents. In class, we sometimes work in groups. We do projects and play games. We also help clean the classroom. We pick up paper and clean the board. We try to be kind to each other. If someone drops something, we help them. We also celebrate birthdays together. My classmates make school fun and friendly. I like spending time with them every day. Part 8. The playground. Our school has a big playground. We go there during break time. There is a slide, a swing, and a seesaw. There is also a large area to run and play. We play games like tag, hide and seek, and football. I like to run fast and play with my friends. Sometimes we bring a ball from home. We take turns and play nicely. Teachers watch us while we play. They make sure we are safe. There are benches near the playground. Some students sit and eat snacks. I like to eat an apple or a sandwich during break. The playground is noisy and full of fun. We laugh, talk, and enjoy the time. After the break, we go back to class happy and ready to learn again. Part 9. The art room. The art room is full of color. We go there once a week. We draw, paint, and make crafts. There are many supplies like crayons, markers, colored paper, glue, and scissors. The teacher shows us how to use them. I like painting the most. I use blue, red, and yellow a lot. Sometimes we draw animals. Other times we draw houses, flowers, or our families. We hang our art on the wall. It makes the room look beautiful. The art teacher is nice. She helps us be creative. In the art room, we can express our feelings. I feel happy and free when I draw. It is my favorite part of the week. Part 10. The music class. We have music class every Friday. We go to a special room with instruments. There are drums, guitars, tambourines, and a piano. Our music teacher plays the piano. We sing songs together. Some songs are fast, some are slow. We learn how to clap to the beat. Sometimes we use instruments and make sounds. We also learn about famous songs and musicians. I love singing and making music. My favorite song is about a rainbow. In music class, we also learn how music can show feelings. It can be happy, sad, or exciting. Music class is fun and helps us relax. I always look forward to it.